a helping hand. We'll bear the blame. Oh,
What?
In the streets,
Look.
Hi Minion, welcome to another vlog. Today is Monday and I'm going to the office. It's a new week, so they've taken the lights, but I'm all ready. I'm dressed. I don't know, the way I packed my hair is looking very funny, so I'm just overthinking. I packed my food as well just to reduce the cost of living. It's about to kill the living, so I have that in my bag and I'm just gonna pack up and here we go. So you guys should not forget our, should I say, daily or weekly mantra that we sing all the time. You guys remember, everything is working out for me, everything is working out for you, everything is working out for me, for you, for me, for you, for me, everything is working out for us, everything is working out for me, everything is working out for me, it's working out for me. Love you guys so much. Thank you for always watching. So I'll see you guys in the office. Let's get ready.
You got me looking at my watch every minute. Yeah, because I'm waiting on you. I said I'm waiting on you. Make a move. I'm waiting on you. Yeah. 7 o'clock in the morning. All I want you to do is get on top of me, for me, because I'm all up on you. I've been thinking about magic, happen, action, baby, we never lasted. Magic, madness, maybe it was just guessing. But it was better than I imagined. Drastic, acting to you, it was just practice. Sadness, asking, hated you with a passion. Had it, granted, baby, I didn't cap it. Cause it was better than I imagined. Thought it'd be worse, cause it hurts me. But still I can't see myself with. Baby, you should know that I've been afraid to try it. I'm healing from some things and
The content doesn't have to be serious. You just have to feel serious.
set to do it.
Hi minions, so today is Wednesday, which is my off day obviously. So today I have like a lot of tasks to do. I've woken up as early as I could and I've done some of my morning routine that I know you guys are 100% familiar with, and that's why I was setting up like my work desk because I'm about to do some tasks. My email is like about to explode. I have so much I have to do, so yeah, I'll work on that. And I don't know what I will do for today, but first and first, my tasks. And also I want to make my hair growth oil. I don't think I've ever done it before, so I'm going to do that and I'll show you guys the recipe. But for now, what's on my to-do list is to complete my tasks, which I have to. So let's get that ready. My system is here already, so let's go back to work.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. Hey. No way we can lose. No way, baby. I just don't know why I can't find the things you need from me. I can't, girl. Baby, they know just what to say. They try to break us away from one another, but maybe they're right for a change. I think I will give you.
Guys, I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys the whole process of my hair products. I actually created a video on TikTok and I will show you guys there.